number 63. So 63, simplify I to the 6. Okay, so you have to, in simplifying or solving complex numbers, you have to remember the 4 i's. Yeah, so I is equal to square root of -1. I squared is equal to -1. I cubed, what is I cubed? Is equal to -I. Then I to the 4th is equal to 1. So you just remember all of this 4. So it will be easier for you to solve like complex numbers raised to like bigger numbers, bigger exponents. Okay, in this case, we have 6 as exponent. So you can write this as I cube squared, power to power rule, right? So this would become I cube is -I squared. So this is -I squared. What is that? So -I squared is negative of -1. No, it should be, it's positive. It should be I squared, right? I squared. So this is -1, right? Because I to the 6 can also be written as I squared times I squared times I squared. So this is -1 times -1 times -1. Then for letter B, okay, let me delete this. 63B. Oh, 11 plus 4i minus 5 minus 6i. This is 11. We get rid of the parentheses to solve this. We distribute the negative sign. So this is -5 plus 6i. Then we group like terms. This one, the constants, and then the imaginary numbers. So 11 minus 5 is 6. 4i plus 6i is 10i. Okay. You got that? No questions? Okay. And then for letter C, we use FOIL. We have 11. So 11 plus 4i times 5 minus 6i. And you just FOIL this. You distribute. So 11 times 5 is 55. 4i times 5 is 20i. Then we have 11 times -6i is -66i. Minus this one, 4 times 6i, 24i squared, right? And then we group like terms. This one, so 55, 20 minus 66. What is that? 46 minus 46i minus 24 times I squared is -1. Then we can further simplify this as 55 minus 46i plus 24. Then we can group like terms. 55 plus 24 is 79 minus 46i. Okay. Then, yes. Then 64, right? I'm looking for 64. Okay, 64 is here. 64a. So is that I to the 12? So I to the 12 can be written as I to the 4 cube. So I to the 4th is, what is I to the 4th again? 1. 1 cube is 1. So I to the 12 is just 1. Then letter B, 2 minus 5i times -3 plus 4i. Yeah, you FOIL that for a while. It's getting cold. I switch off it, you know. Yeah, because it's raining hard outside. Okay, so we FOIL this. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Then negative 5 times negative 3 is positive 15i. Then this one. Make sure you know how to do this. Okay? Then this is negative 20i squared. And we group like terms. This is negative 6. 15 plus 8. Is it 23? 23i minus 20 times negative 1. So negative 6 plus 23i plus 20. So 20 minus 6 is 14. So this is 14 plus 23i. So this is the answer for letter B. Then we have letter C. Letter C is addition. I'm deleting it. Then letter C, 2 minus 5i plus negative 3 plus 4i. So we get rid of the parentheses. So this would become 2 minus 5i minus 3 plus 4i. We group like terms. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative I. So the answer is negative 1 minus I. Then move on to 65. 65a. A is square root of negative 50. So we can write 50 as 25 times 2, right? So this is just square root of 25 is 5. So that is 5i square root of 2. So that is the answer. And for letter B, we have 3 plus 10i plus 3 plus 10i. We get rid of the parenthesis. So 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 20i. So this is the answer. And then for letter C, we need to FOIL that. Okay, letter C. What is that? 3 plus 10i times 3 plus 10i. We FOIL. That is 9 plus 30i plus 30i. Then this one plus 100i squared. So 9 plus 60i plus 100 times negative 1. So this is 9 minus 100 plus 60i, or negative 91 plus 60i. Okay, got that? We go to number 66. 66. Glad you have like a lot of problems to solve, to practice on, right? Okay. Square root of negative 24. So 24, you can write this as negative 6 times 4, and 4 is a perfect square. So this is just 2i square root of 6. Then for letter B, you FOIL that. Negative 1 plus 3i times 2 plus 13i. So you FOIL that one. Negative 2 plus 6i minus 13i plus 9. No, 13 times 3. What is 13 times 3? Okay, 39i squared. So this is negative 2, or 6 minus 13. that is 7, right? Negative 7i plus 39 negative 1. So this is negative 2 minus 39. So that is negative 41 minus 7i. Okay. So that's the answer. Then for letter C. We're on letter C. Okay, letter C, that is negative 1 plus 3i minus 2 plus 13i. So this is negative 1 plus 3i minus 2 minus 3i, 13i. So this is negative 3 minus 10.